This is gonna be a nice, quick unbagging bag of a Shop Disney order. Packing slip. And I have 4 pins in here. The first pin that we have is... This is a Pixar Remix Series 5. This is Bunny from Toy Story 5. There's been so many of them. So we'll put him right here. Then the next pin is another Series 5, and this is Sully from Monsters, Inc. So we'll put him right here. And our next pin is another Series 5 pin. This is Ducky, and we'll just kind of shove him right there. And the last of the Series 5 pins is Merida. I really love this Merida pin. I think it's absolutely adorable. The ones where he's basically dressed in drag and he's got all the hair, those are absolutely adorable. I think this is my favorite one of the Series 5 set, and we'll put her right here. I have one more pin in this bag, and it is the Pluto's birthday pin, because they just celebrated his 90th birthday. The reason that I got this pin was not because I wanted the Pluto pin. It wasn't until I scrolled over and I saw the picture of it on the card. It's a Pluto name tag. That's when I said, I need that pin. So when I display it in a case, it'll be on the card, because that just makes this pin. Have you been collecting these Pixar Remix pins? Which one's your favorite? Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes.
No capes!